guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are not, thank you for tuning in again. So today I wanted to review a product for you guys because I've been eyeing this product for about 1.5 years now, and it was actually my birthday last year. I was gonna say it was actually my birthday last year. It was actually my birthday last week, and my boyfriend so kindly gifted me this product, and I'm super excited, and I'm actually really curious because I have really curly hair, as you can tell right now. It's wet. I just got out of the shower, so we can give it a trial run. It's starting to dry up a little bit, so I kind of wanted to do this pretty fast, but I am going to be running some errands after this video, so I just popped on a little bit of makeup, and I was like, why not film this YouTube video? So the product that I am going to be reviewing today is actually this product right here, the Dyson Airwrap Complete. And so yeah, we're gonna give it a trial run. I've never tried it. I already opened it, I saw the pieces, but I've never actually tried it, so we're gonna do that on camera. And yeah, like I said, I have really curly hair. It's just kind of wet right now, but my ends are drying up. So I actually just went and ended up wetting my ends because they were super dry. I am in a little bit of a rush today, so we're just gonna wing it and hope that it all turns out well. Look at how cute it is. Wow, that is so pretty. It's like super luxe and like leathery. I love it. As I mentioned, I did already open this up and saw the pieces, but I didn't open up the actual, you see? Whoa. So we're gonna take it out and plug it in. So I'm filming this video in my bedroom because my closet is way too messy, and my bathroom has terrible lighting, and it's very cramped in there, and it's just not a vibe. I'm hoping that this works with my hair because I've only seen like straight haired women review it. If not, that's gonna be such a bummer, and probably have to get it returned because it is pretty pricey. But oh my gosh, look, it looks so high tech. Really wanted to try this product because of the tools that it comes with, and I really like having like a blowout look. Like that's what I get whenever I go get my hair done. I need to get a haircut, but every time I go get a haircut, my the guy that does my hair, he always gives me a blowout, and I absolutely love it. But I want to be able to do that at home, and I'm excited because it comes with this brush round tool, and putting this together, it's like 2-in-1 because obviously he uses the brush and then he has a separate hair dryer, and it's kind of hard to do that on your own. And then it also does come with like these brush type looking thingies and my boyfriend's actually excited about this product too because he does like giving himself a blowout too. He likes doing his hair, so this is going to be very convenient for him. And then of course it comes with the regular like hair dryer, and then it comes with 2 different sizes to like curl your hair. So I'm super excited to give those a go and see how they work. So we're gonna trial them. I feel like my hairline is just not very giving, to be honest, and I feel that it is because of my baby hairs. I have major baby hairs, and they can get really annoying sometimes. But so I'm just gonna trial it on camera, like the pieces that I end up using, or the different heads that I end up using. And then once I actually get into doing my hair, I'm gonna speed up the process because if not, this video will be very long. This is my first time turning it on, so it's warm. Okay, so it has warm and cool, and apparently you're supposed to do it warm and then end it off with cooling your hair. Oh, I am not sure how to use this, to be honest. Is there instructions? Okay, so you're supposed to use the warm and then give it like a cool shot at the end. Is it gonna work? No. My hair is so messy. Oh my gosh. I look like, you know, one of those little, like, what are they called? No, like the Dutch skirts. You know what I'm saying? Like those Dutch girls that have blonde hair, really bouncy curls. Oh my gosh, but it worked. Wow, it actually worked. What I like to do is just brush out the curl so it's not so tight, but I would have to do something about up here because can you tell it's super like not uniform up there. Okay, so we know that this one worked now, so let's just take that off. And I want to try the tool that I'm most excited about because it's like a blowout tool. Okay, so essentially it worked. You can't really, like, can you guys tell? It just gives like a slight curl. You see that? But the rest of your hair is pretty like just straight. So I'm going to be doing the rest of my hair, and I'm just going to fast forward at this point because I don't know. I have used blowout tools before, but this one is a little, I don't know, it's taking me a little to get used to. And maybe it's because I'm just kind of being afraid with it. So yeah, I'm going to just fast forward the video and then I'll show you guys the end product. I'm pretty much done with all my hair. And I just have my bangs to do right now. So actually what I'm going to do is hold my hair. Okay. They look a little like too fluffy. I'm gonna try and fix them up a little bit. Okay, I need to work on figuring out how to do my bangs, but for the most part they came out pretty good. Okay, I just quickly ran the brush through my whole head, like the top, just like this, because it does get pretty hot. So my hair like just got really puffy at the top just because I am in a rush, so I didn't take my time with each strand of hair. This is the final product though. What? Wow. Dude, You can't tell me this didn't give me a nice blowout. Like, you'd be lying. Okay, so another thing that would help is that one like keratin type of product. It's by the brand Wow. I can't really remember. It's like it's sort of like a keratin treatment. They sell it at Sephora. I've used it before and it works really, really well. So I would apply that whenever I do have time. I would apply that to each strand of hair before going ahead and blowing it out, just so it holds the blowout better and it tends to give you a really nice shine. But other than that, I am major surprised, like major big time. So my hair is really frizzy right now, or just puffy. So another thing I would do is just add hairspray to each strand of hair. But either way, my hair does feel really, really soft. Like I'm pretty shook. I'm pretty shooketh to the core. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of hair oil. I'm just applying my Mizani hair oil. I'm going to apply that all over my hair. Just a little bit because it does go a very long way and I don't want oily hair. So I'm just going to quickly run that all over my head. And see, I already added too much right here quickly. Like I touched my hair too fast and it smells so good too. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so shocked. It looks really good. I am hoping that you can see this on camera. Good. It looks so good. Okay, so I'm gonna take my camera off of the tripod. Okay, there we go. See? I would show myself in the mirror, but I have a mess. I have a mess. So, what's the verdict? Definitely worth it. Even if you have curly hair like myself, and I have very thick, coarse, and a lot of hair, and it worked really well. Even the one, even the attachment that does the curls, it worked really, really good. So I totally recommend it. And I thought it was just gonna be like a blow dryer and not really get hot or cold, which I don't know why I even thought that, but it does get really hot, so it does help. And I like that it has the cold setting. That way it kind of like gives your hair a little break and it's not just burning. But yeah, I would just add maybe some like heat protectant for your hair, but I also would use that keratin treatment. Wow, I'm going to I still need to order some from Sephora, but I will link it down below. It works really, really good and it leaves your hair super shiny. Granted, my hair, and it makes it feel, and it leaves it like really, really soft. Granted, it did leave my hair really soft, surprisingly. Totally recommend it. It is an investment, but you have everything that you need. You have your blowout tools, you have your basic hair dryer, you also have the curling attachments to curl your hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know if you do have the Dyson Complete. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.